So this is the conclusion. Creating a comprehensive growth strategy. Transform business complexity into your competitive advantage in 2025. Create sustainable growth, generate immediate momentum, and build a self-funding business engine without overwhelming complexity, expensive consultants, or revolutionary new techniques. Are you ready to take your business to the next level? Join me on this conclusion of our proven 7 growth strategy series and discover how systematic implementation of these time-tested approaches can create unstoppable momentum. Take action today. Identify your quick wins, develop your comprehensive strategy, and join the businesses already thriving through disciplined execution. Welcome to the conclusion of this series, 7 proven growth strategies for 2025. While you can take any one of the strategies, the most successful will implement multiple strategies all at once. Perhaps not all 7, but the more you work on, the more business you'll develop. Activity breeds results. It's as simple as that. It takes work, it takes effort. But for me, it's all fun. And I love doing it as well as talking about it. Because I've done all these things. There are a good many business owners and managers I work with where all I do is mentor them. And for many, that is all that is required to keep them on the straight and narrow. As my practical, real-world, in the thick of it, sleeved rolls up experience helps ensure all the angles are covered. So I recommend you go through each of the videos in this series. I've tried to keep each one short as I'm trying to stimulate your thoughts, help you think about the possibilities so that you can relate it to your business rather than listen to me explain every possible option, which ultimately would be impossible and probably in most cases inappropriate in any case. Go through it, just jot down a bullet point here and there, and then afterwards expand on each bullet point into an implementable action point. This process will reveal quick win opportunities that should become your initial focus. And winners take fast action. This approach delivers short-term results with minimum investment, generates momentum, and potentially self-funds subsequent initiatives through increased revenue. Start by assessing your current situation. Identify your most promising growth opportunities and systematically implement the strategies that best fit your business. With deliberate planning and consistent execution, these 7 approaches can help your business achieve sustainable growth in today's challenging but opportunity-rich environment. The business landscape has indeed grown more sophisticated since the early 2000s. But this complexity creates unprecedented opportunities for companies willing to implement these strategies with discipline and integration. Sustainable growth in 2025 will come not from revolutionary new techniques, but from the systematic application and integration of these proven approaches. Talking of systematical application, if you've enjoyed this series, this video, and found them useful, please join the channel, like and share this video. I have more to come. And that concludes this series of 7 growth strategy presentations. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you again soon.